Hi, it's Mr. Clegg. Welcome to part 3 of the factor label method or dimensional analysis. All right, now we're going to do a little bit longer problem, I guess, and we're going to find out how many seconds are there in a year. All right, so first thing we do is we have to write down our measurement. Might be a little hard to tell what our measurement here, but we're going to start, what we have is 1 year. And remember how I said your starting number is not 1 unless it happens to be. Well, here it is. It's 1 year. So now we're going to multiply by 1 a whole bunch of times and get something new. And so multiplying by 1 over and over again. These are all fractions, and we're going to set up here. Go ahead and set that up. We might need more, we might need fewer. We're not quite sure yet. First thing we need to do is convert year to something else. Well, let's go to days. Let's go from year to day. Okay, so years to days. Now, you might be tempted to write 365 up here, which would almost be right. But I want to take the length of an average year, which is 365 and a quarter days. It's actually not even exactly a quarter. We have leap years every 4 years, and occasionally we don't have a leap year because this is not exactly a quarter, but that's close enough for what we're doing now. So let's put 365.25 days. Okay, we'll cancel that out. Very important, cancel out the years. Go back here. Now we're going to, now we've got days, so let's cancel out days, put days on the bottom. All right, then we're going to figure out what could we go to next. Let's see, days. Oh, we know that there are 24 hours in a day, so we can do that. So we know that there are 24 hours in a day. Okay, let's cancel out our day. I like to use a different slash for every different unit that I cancel out. Now we have 24 hours in a day. That's great. Okay, let's see here. We can just keep going here. Remember, we're multiplying by 1. By 1, we can do that as many times as we want. We can do it an infinite amount of times without changing the original measurement. Just changing the units. So now we got hours. Let's see here. Let's go from hours to minutes. Minutes. So now here we have minutes. We got 60 minutes in an hour. I keep having to change colors here. So I'm going to double slash this one, double slash that. So now we have 60 minutes. What do I have to do now? I'm going to continue this down below because I don't have enough room up there. So I'm going to multiply, and then next thing I'm going to get rid of minutes and go to seconds. So now I have minutes down here. It's a little bit hard to tell, but this is still the denominator, and then minutes are in the numerator. So that will cancel. And then I'm going to put seconds up here because that's what we're trying to find. And so we have 60 seconds in 1 minute. And I think that will make us be done. Let's cancel out that last unit and see what we got. So minutes, I'm going to do a double slash that way, minutes. And so let's check. Everything's canceled out except for seconds, which is what we're trying to get. And so I'm going to write my unit here. That's my final unit that didn't get canceled. And now we're going to do all the numbers. So grab a calculator, pause the video if you don't have one. Actually, just pause the video right now and see what you get. Make sure it's the same as me. If you're unsure how to do this, go ahead and follow along with me. All right, here we go. So we're going to take 1. We don't really have to type 1, but I'll do it anyway. 1 times 365.25 times 24 times 60 times 60. And I get a very big number, 557,600. So that is how many seconds. My seconds look a little weird here, so I'm going to rewrite that. So that is how many seconds we have in 1 year. Since I started with the concept of a year, not as being a measurement, we don't have to worry about significant figures on this one. We're just going to go for that. So yeah, okay. Stay tuned for part 4. See ya.